Now it's time to begin creating the milestones that you'll need to progress monitor your students throughout the year. Please make sure that you have your SLO PDF form handy in the background so that you can copy and paste from the PDF form directly into Eduphoria. Let's begin by creating the ISP milestone. To create a milestone, you'll go for the circle with a plus sign in the middle. Click on the circle with a plus sign. Click on Rubric. This will open up a milestone that you can edit. First thing we need to do is label the milestone. Since we're working on the ISP, we'll label it ISP. What I would like for you to notice is that Eduphoria's default only goes to 3 levels. However, for our rubrics, we know we need 5 levels to cover well above typical through well below typical. So we must add 2 more levels. To do that, you're going to click on the circle with a plus sign towards the bottom middle section. This will add the 4th level. Again, we need 5, so we need to add 1 more. There's a 5th level. If for some reason you click too many times and you already have 6 levels, you can simply erase them by going to the upper right-hand side and click on the trash icon. That will remove the unnecessary levels. Now it's time to label them. We always start with the following. 1 dot is well below typical. 2 dots, below typical. 3 dots, typical. 4 dots, above typical. Finally, the 5th dot, well above typical. Now it is time to add the descriptors from the PDF. As always, we start with well below typical. So be careful when you go back to the PDF form and you go to the second page that has the ISP, make sure you start with well below typical. So here we are, well below typical. We highlight the descriptor, right click, copy, go back to Eduphoria. In the descriptor section, right click, paste. Second level, below typical. Go back to the PDF form, double check that you're below typical, highlight, right click, copy, go back to Eduphoria, in the descriptor, paste. Do this for the remaining levels. Now that you've added all your descriptors to every level, you're ready to click on the word Done on the right-hand bottom corner. Click Done. You'll now see the ISP column. To double check that your descriptors were entered correctly, click on the 3 vertical dots next to ISP, click where it says Show Rubric, and you'll go ahead and see the rubric you entered into the system. That's how you create the ISP milestone.